Hi friends, my name is Sai Nitin. I'm from Newzen Infotech and my trainer name is Surinder sir. Now I'm explaining about one of the main topics in Java is OOPS. OOPS means object oriented programming language. OOPS means everything in Java is done by the object creation. Here OOPS means object oriented programming language. Here there are four main pillars of OOPS are inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Now we are discussing mainly about inheritance. Here, inheritance means acquiring properties from one class to another class. Acquiring properties from one class to another class. Here in this, there are two types of classes. One is parent class, and second one is child class. Here, parent class means which gives the properties, and child class means which takes the properties. Inheritance is achieved by extends keyword. Extends keyword. And we are discussing about inheritance. Inheritances. One is single level. Second is multi-level. Third one is multiple. Fourth one is hierarchical. Fifth one is hybrid. Here, single level means acquiring properties from one class. Only there are one parent class and one child class. Single level, there is only one parent class and one child class. Here, child class acquire properties from parent class. Next, multi-level. Multi-level means here there are two parent classes and one child class. Here multi-level means child class acquire properties from this parent class and this parent class again acquire properties from another parent class. This is called multi-level inheritance. Here next is multiple. Here there is special case in multiple means here multiple inheritance cannot be cannot be done in Java by using classes. We use interfaces for acquiring properties. Next is hierarchical. Hierarchical means two or more child classes acquire properties from one parent class. Parent, child 1, child 2, child 3. Here two or more child classes acquiring properties from one parent class is called hierarchical inheritance. Now it's last hybrid. Hybrid means combination of two or more inheritances means combination of single level, two or more inheritances means single level, multi-level and hierarchical. A diagram for hybrid inheritance. Parent class, next child class, child 1, child 2, child 3, child 2. This is single level inheritance. This is multi level. This is hierarchical. Here these are not child, these are parent class. It acquires from another parent class. Here example for single level inheritance. Here parent class. This is child class. Single level means it acquires properties from one parent class. An example class vehicle. Vehicle is one type of class, and we use constructor system dot println. It is a vehicle, and we create another class. This is parent class, and this is in vehicle there are four wheeler, two wheeler, three wheelers. We take here four wheelers. Here we use extends keyword to extend the properties of vehicles. Extends vehicle. Here four wheeler is child class. And we create a constructor for four wheeler. Here class name and constructor name should be same. We write system dot out dot println. It is a four wheeler. Here in this four wheeler, they are the properties of vehicle. So we can create only one object for this four wheeler. Single public static void main string array of arguments, and we create object for four wheelers. Here class name is four wheeler. Here is reference variable. We create one reference variable f equals to new class name. Here we are calling the here four wheeler. So the output will be in this four wheeler there are vehicle properties and four wheeler properties. So if we call four wheeler properties, we get both. Like it's a vehicle, it's a four wheeler. This is single level inheritance. Here second one is multi level inheritance. Multi level inheritance means one child class acquiring properties from one parent class, and that parent class acquire properties from another parent class. Here this child class acquire properties from this parent class, and this parent class again acquire properties from another parent class. This is multi-level inheritance. Here an example, a class, again we take same example, vehicle. Here we call constructor system dot out dot println. It is a vehicle, and we create, and in vehicle there are four wheeler, two wheeler. Again we take four wheeler. Here we extend the properties of vehicles. We create a constructor system dot out dot println. It is a four wheeler. Again we create another class called in four wheelers where there are cars and etc. So we take cars and we extend the properties of four wheelers because car is a four wheeler. Here we create a constructor for car. And ln it is a car. So in this, here car is taking acquiring properties from four wheeler, and this four wheeler again acquiring properties from this vehicle. And we create a class called vehicles. Vehicle one, main method, string array of box. Here we create an object. In this car, there are four wheelers and vehicle properties. So we create object for car. Car. C is reference variable. New car. Here we are calling car. So here in this car we have both the properties called. It is a car. It's a four wheel. It's a vehicle. So we get the output. It is a vehicle. It is a four wheeler. It is a car. So thank you.